Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with admin rights and an updated system because Defender needs current signatures to repair status. Open Windows Security from Start and land on Security at a glance. Once there, scan the top panel for warnings and click any white chevron to expand details. This exposes the exact failing component. Make sure you're online so definitions and cloud protection can refresh automatically, then proceed to the first repair actions in the next step. You run a quick scan to catch obvious threats, then queue a full scan to sweep system files. This removes quarantine conflicts that flip the at-a-glance status. Next, open virus and threat protection updates and force a signature update so Defender recognizes clean files. Enable cloud-delivered protection for better heuristics. If settings are locked, turn tamper protection off briefly to change protection toggles, apply fixes, and then turn tamper protection back on. You finish by running the built-in troubleshooter to auto-fix obvious service or permission issues. Follow prompts and restart when requested. Once done, repair the Windows Security app, and only if problems persist, reset it. That re-registers components without reinstalling Windows. If the at-a-glance tile still shows errors, open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files. If that fails, reboot and repeat the scans once more before seeking deeper logs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.